I can see you. What are you doing? Why is there so much garbage? You're serious, man.
The phone cord fell, and I couldn't find it. And then I was looking over there because I thought maybe I would find Brown Bear. Ouch.
Are you done? Now that you gotta figure out how to escape from your shithole? For real? This man
Hey, a pencil.
is disgusting. I'm scared. At least there's nothing too
I found my
horrible.
camera. It's in the bag that was hanging off the bed. Yeah. I saw memories. And it's like, aw.
Aw. Good luck. You're buried in garbage.